The resistance tubes come in this packaging that you will receive. So this is the 10 kg one, the red one, which is convenient for the beginners. So I'm going to show you some beginner friendly exercises using these resistance tubes that you can use at your home and do your workout. Hi everyone, I am Chavi Malhotra. Today I am going to tell you about these wonderful Velesa resistance tubes that I am having in my hand. So these come in 4 different strength types. It ranges from the red one, which is of 10 kg. So it moves like in an increasing order, 10 kg, 15, 20 and 25. So each pack that you will order comes with one resistance tube which has 2 handles along with 1 anchor. This helps to do workouts with the use of door. Let's start with the first exercise. Its name is bicep curl scoops. So what you have to do is keep your feet on the bench about the hip width and your arm has to be front faced. So you have to pull your arm outwards, 1, then scoop in, 2, scoop out and scoop in. You have to keep your upper body and your elbow faced. Don't have to be so stiff like this. You have to do it 10 times. The other one will also include keeping your feet on the bench till your hip width. So now your palm, which was facing front, now will face downwards. So you have to first squat, then again up and cross. Take your arms cross. So you can say it is first squat and then cross crunches like this. You can pull your hand as per your convenience. This 10 times. So our next exercise will focus on our chest as well as our biceps. So you have to turn sideways, put the band underneath your left leg, leave the handles and you have to hold the band from the downwards, slide downward from the bands, from the handle, and then your back leg will be straight and you have to pull it upward. Keep your upper body straight like this. You have to do it 10 times and keep breathing and exhaling out. And like this only, you have to do it from the other side. Now this is for the opposite muscles, that is our tricep. Our position is the same. The tube is beneath our feet, the left one, and we have to keep our elbows like this and pull it backwards. 1, keep your upper body straight. 2, 3, 4. And you have to do this 10 times from your left leg first and then from your right leg. Our next exercise is wide fly. So for this we have to lie on the floor. You can take the help of the chair if you have any difficulty. You have to wrap the resistant tube around your feet like this. Your hands are in the same position as they were in the previous exercises. And you have to lean a little backwards. Stay in this position only. You don't have to move in the front and then back. This is just, you have to stable your body in this position. And move your hands outwards in the fly position like this. You have to do this 10 times. 1. And ensure that you are breathing in and breathing out like this. In this exercise also, we have to keep our position straight. This is for our abdomen. You have to move your leg inwards and outward like we do in the crunches like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. You have to do this 10 times. Stretch as per your convenience only. Like this. Our next exercise is bicep extension. So hold it backwards from your backwards. Hold the tube underneath your left leg and your right leg needs to be straight. You have to pull it upwards, like extend your arm upwards and then fold your elbow slightly and move it backwards. Like this. You have to do this 10 times. 1, 2. While you are pulling it upwards, you can breathe in and then breathe out. In the same way, you have to do it from your other leg as well. Moving on, our next exercise is for our thighs and it will help you enhance your stability and posture. You have to even the resistance tube between your legs and hold the handles at your waist. So now you have to extend your leg sideways. I'm gonna do it with the right leg first. Like this. 1, 2. You can extend your legs as per your convenience. 3. And then from here. 1, 2, 3. And you have to do this 10 times from each leg. The next one is hammer curls. I'm gonna do it from the left leg first. Even the resistance tube underneath your left leg and you have to pull the handle upwards. Your bicep region will have the impact like this. 1, 2. Keep your upper body straight and breathe in and breathe out. Do it 10 times with each leg, from left first and then right. This next exercise is targeting our upper body and tricep muscles. So the band is even underneath the left leg. Move your hand backwards and then gradually you have to extend it upwards like this. It will help you tone your sides and upper body like this. Breathe in, breathe out. You have to do this 10 times from each leg. This is our last exercise. It will help to tone your upper body and focus on your side muscles as well as your shoulders. So we are in the same position only. The tube is underneath your left leg evenly and you have to move your hand outwards like this. 1, gradually move down. 2, while you are moving up, inhale, and then while you are moving down, exhale. If you want a more advanced version, then you can keep both of your feet on the vent and then move outwards and inwards like this. And you have to do all the variations 10 times. Now we will be using the door anchor that comes in the Velessa resistance tube packaging. It helps to do exercises in which you need to use both of your hands. You can like attach this one inside the door and the extended ribbon will hang outwards. You can attach your resistance band inside this one like this that I have pulled. For our next exercise, I have attached the door anchor on the above of the door. So this will also target our tricep muscles only. This is an advanced variation for those who want to feel some intense stretch. So you have to stay erect in this position and move your hand upwards and then pull it downwards like this. Do it 10 times. You have to keep your body and face straight towards the front only.